wa muigi kigina kiama-ini kia arimu gia KUPPET Ronald Tonui ni okirire commission ya kwandika arimu nio TSC ni kiria arauga ni kũingĩrĩrwo maũndũ-inĩ ma KUPPET ma thĩinĩ akiuga no iratho ũikia wa kura na njĩra ya gũthamia arutani nĩguo matikanyite itemi ũikia-inĩ wa kura.
I wish to comment on the role the Teacher Service Commission is playing in the KUPPET elections. I don't know what is going on in the Teacher Service Commission. There is a big problem in Teacher Service Commission. In one county, they transferred about 1,500 KUPPET members into agency to deny them a right to vote. In another, they also denied around 1,600 by transferring them from being members of KUPPET to agency. And you know, the register of KUPPET is generated from the byproduct or from TSC, deduction of union dues. In another one, they transferred 400. In a county like Nairobi, I think they transferred and there was a court order for them to reverse. So I don't know what interest does the Teacher Service Commission have in these KUPPET elections.
Na rĩu tũkĩhũgũkĩra ciĩgiĩ ũrĩmi nĩ atĩ arĩmi